We're going to create a look using all these items, okay? Aku suka lah yang macam kau buat macam laptop je aku macam cakap macam Cik Mang tu. Banyak gila glitter.
Aku rasa tangan aku penuh dengan glitter je.
I'm gonna prime my eyes with this.
Yeah. We're using
the same thing.
I hate the smell.
Alah, dia ada, baru perasan dia.
Aku tak, dia bau macam apa tau? Macam leather ke apa, aku pun tak tahu.
I'm actually sniffing it. Alah.
It smells like leather.
Smells like, oh my god, I got it on my eyelashes.
Making my eyebrow colour, eyebrow pula. Lashes colour lain weh.
Kalau putih?
Putih ke?
Putih.
Serius lah?
Serious.
Lah it is. Okay lah, at least
betul,
light.
Betul nanti kena letak ni mascara.
Falsies. Tapi comel tu brush dia.
Comel gila. Aku rasa everything is cute.
Kan, dia macam tak sampai hati je tengok.
Crease people.
We're using
the same color for crease.
Ui, fallout dia. Fallout dia ni kau ketuk dulu.
Tap off the excess.
Fallout dia melampau. Ke colour ni tak keluar?
Colour tak keluar. Colour keluar tak?
Kau tengoklah mata aku keluar ke colour dia?
Macam tu ke? Kalau aku lagi lah weh.
Tapi kau nampak? Okay lah, nampak lah. Very subtle. Not that good for crease colour lah sebenarnya.
A wrong crease colour.
Mana ada colour yang macam crease lagi dah?
Tahu tak apa, ni crease. Siapa aja colour ni? Cik, kita roti kan?
I'm giving up on this colour.
What is happening? How's it going?
Kau ingat ni ashtray.
Boleh tahan lah weh.
Slowly lah, dia kena build up lah.
Lambat nak build up.
Okay lah. Kau penuh perhatian kau bagi ya. Tapi tak nampak juga.
Konon lah. Berialah ke depan ke belakang macam tu juga.
Swipe motion. Windshield motion. Kan? Betul ke?
Windshield wiper.
Okay, salah aku. Okay.
I'm done with the crease.
I'm like, no thanks babes. Bukanlah pula.
Sama je.
Ya, aku terdiam je. Aku tak tahu nak pakai kan. Aku tak tahu nak.
Tadi beria.
It's coming to me.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Feel coming.
Eyelid apa nak pakai macam ni? Shining now.
How's it going?
It's buttery lah sebenarnya. I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid. I'm gonna use this color.
I'm gonna use this color yang the middle one for my outer V, inner V. Come on.
Work it, people, work it.
How's it going?
Pink tak mata aku?
Enggak. Aku apa jadi weh?
Almost tu nampak, tak nampak apa.
Keluar lah. Tak keluar kan? Dia macam, I'm gonna be hiding here, so yeah. Come on.
Come on, pigmentation. What is happening? How is it going? Okay.
Weh, crumble weh. So I'm gonna use this on my outer V. Outer V.
All of it.
I'm gonna get a cat eye action here.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna use the middle one.
Okay lah. Muncul lah, sedang. Crumble ni Masya Allah.
Oh, fallout. I'm like coloring my eyeshadow.
Oh my god.
Salah cucuk. Really? Tap of the excess.
Tap of the accent.
On the table.
Pula cannot control this hand. Kau tengok apa tadi? Mana? Girl.
Okay lah, colour dia naik. Kan?
I'm tired. Kenapa kau macam ni? Sana sikit macam tu.
Siapa?
Kau lah actually tak nak kawan macam tu. What the hell, man?
Aku disturb dengan colour dengan fallout dia.
Fallout Boys. Macam nak menggoreng apa sini. Beria lah.
So I'm gonna use back the original colour. Fallout dia.
Fallout Boys.
Blend, 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 bitch, blend, blend. What, bitch?
Ada sorry. Nah, kau dah buat blending. Kalah.
Blend.
Makin banyak brush.
Bawa keluar semua kan?
Tak ada colour gila. Harley Quinn
Like beauty gurus tail.
Jadi ke?
Bawa lari. Okay.
Kau nak pakai mana?
Aku tak tahu. Mana kau tahu aku nak makan ni?
Okey lah. Okey aku faham.
Apa?
Kena pakai.
Kenapa kan?
Tak, bukan. Sebab ada certain colours tak payah pakai. Dia dah okey dah.
The shimmer ones. Kalau kau pakai, kalau buat macam tu, it'll be better.
Obviously lah.
Aku lari jauh gila bagi macam tu. Look at me. Tengok orang sini. What is the... What should we like... Dia main ni. Semua sini weh. Semakin jauh.
Hey, how's it going?
We're back.
Don't take my shit.
Aku memang pakai satu brush ni je sebenarnya
Dari tadi tu, satu je.
Aku betul-betul crease tu je satu brush. Lepas tu ni brush ni je. Like I can leave pakai ni je. Gonna use this.
On my face, man.
Konsep aku apa dia aku pun tak tahu tapi tak apalah. Jadi sudah.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Tiba.
Okay. Maybe I'm done. Maybe, I don't know. Kau nak reti lah, weh. Gaya mesti benar, weh.
Aduh, sangat.
Kita gaya memang benar. Cakap dulu.
Apa tu? Kau nak apa sekarang? You tell me. Aku tahu.
I'm gonna put
Kau pakai colour apa tu?
color
On your brow
on my
bone.
brow bone.
Orang
Tadi
tak
kata brow bone.
tak pernah orang pakai brow bone colour tu Kau je.
Because I'm like, you know.
Gonna
We'll try
use this
something out.
for my brow bone. Wallah weh. Dia
Jangan ambil.
fallout dia. Astagfirullahaladzim. Boleh lah.
What's happening?
90s makeup dah. Kan 90s makeup tu macam like colour. Macam orang nak pergi main jogging tu kan. Yang stokin per sini kan. Madonna.
But I'm done. I'm afraid I might ruin my makeup. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna, you know. What is that, man? Kau nak tunjuk aku fallout kau ke?
I'm gonna use this brush to remove the fallout.
We did our faces from noon till it's night now. Sampai dah malam, you all. That's how, you know.
Weh, dah tak nampak apa dah.
Girl,
I'm sorry, we need some help.
girl covers my face.
Bantuan. SOS. That's how dedicated we are to producing untuk making, you know, a video for y'all.
Bawa under eye belum
Dia
siap.
lambat ni perempuan.
Marah. Oh. Tak payah macam tu sangat.
Asal aku tak pakai blusher? I'm so excited about the highlighter.
I look like an alien. Extraterrestrial. Yeah.
tak boleh.
Up to you lah.
Ni
Blinding.
Kena pinjam
Ni apa?
brush.
Kau nak buat apa?
Highlighter.
Nak ambil dah ni.
This color untuk di cheek and lip.
Okay, non-existent.
Kau punya ni assistant
Tak
tak?
tahu, tak nampak pun.
Punya tak? Duduk. Very good next door. Kau boleh lihat ni. Dia banyak sikit.
Really?
Ambil lagi. Dia kena pakai banyak.
Ya ke? Nanti jadi cakap lah.
Adalah colour. Aku cuma nak timurkan colour dia sebenarnya. Kau naik lah.
Ya ke?
Nak buat macam usaha sangat kan? Nak buat macam speak out hand body. Speak out, macam speak out.
Colour apa sesuai weh?
Oh, kau punya Harley Quinn.
Pakai yang purple ni lah. Weh, mendapnya. Tipu gila.
Dia tak ada apa-apa. Dia sebenarnya it's a
Gloss to non-existent. This is only a gloss. More like a balm. This gloss more dekat, this one tak ada colour.
I picked the darkest purple and this is what I get. Okay dah. But it smells good. Nanti jangan banyak sangat. Nanti kan kau to the moon.
That's the whole point, man. I'm like glitter, everything. Highlighter.
Oh my god.
Gila makeup betul ni. Tak pernah jadi macam ni. Gila balik rumah mak aku Mira. Jadi apa Mira?
Hell no. Marah tak?
Why is it hell no?
No colour. It's a gloss. This is not lipstick. This is sad.
It's just a balm. Kau pakai colour apa tu? Next week deh. Hell no.
Okay betul. Hell no.
So this is our final look.
This is after we have used the products, so
I like the highlighter though.
get the highlighter.
The highlighter is blinding. It's
Girl. Yes.
Too excited.
so it's
Girl.
not
I'm like from people can see me around the moon.
right.
Overall. The eyeshadow, some
Okay,
of it blendable, but some of it letak je nampak terus dah already appear, tapi some of it takes time to build up.
Fallouts.
Flyaways everywhere,
Yeah.
floon everywhere.
With the shimmers, kalau you wet your brushes, then they akan appear much better on the lid.
And then but the highlighters,
Lighters.
let me tell you all about the highlighter. I mean,
Blinding.
look at that. This
So
is
super
bomb.
Tak payah,
Purchase
tak,
it.
tak payah spray, tak payah apa, okay.
Perfect. It's my favorite. This is
Super.
for a drugstore. The quality is absolutely
amazing.
Impressive,
The bomb.
perfect.
Brushes, I mean, these cute ones. Dia macam, nak keluar. Coral feel. The other two colours, I'm wearing it now, but tapi tengok lah, tak tahu lah. Okay lah.
If you're a beginner in makeup, then okay lah, boleh lah. Macam tadi pula. I mean, it's alright. So,
Yeah, boleh lah.
That is all for today's review. Yes, for Wet n Wild. We hope that you'll like it. We are no beauty gurus, and we are not sponsored by Wet n Wild. We're not beauty gurus. This is just extra products for fun. And I hope y'all want to see, keep watching our video, and we hope that you enjoy every moment of this. To our video. Please subscribe to our video and give us a thumbs up, like everything. And thank you for those who have subscribed to us, and we'll see you soon.